I already have that. It was my past relationship, and yeah, it
Wait, so
happened.
you had it right now?
Yeah, I have it. I have it like way back 2022. So it's been 3 years now. I can still remember August. I know it's July 16, 2022, and I was
Oh,
confirmed on September 1, 2022. And somehow it affects my mental health, I should say. Like, breakdown for about 1 year, and then another year you lost your mother. Uh, yeah,
yeah, right.
yeah.
Wow. It has to be hard, very hard.
Yeah, one of the reasons that's why I give this platform is sharing those things. Because if I can't contain my emotions, I will just say that to people. And since I don't know you, and I don't know most of the people in this, yeah, I will just share some random stuff. And maybe that's one of the reasons that as well, that I can easily get bored or get angry with random people in this platform. That's about the mental health. But I'm okay now. I'm 100% okay. Um, just taking some medications, and the good thing is it's for free.
Right.
But the USA, they they cut off the support at at that uh, I don't want to say it because there are some people in here. I think
It's
they
okay. You're
yeah,
safe, just say it.
yeah. No, 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 no. In my perimeter right now, there are some people that may hear me because
You're
the
safe.
rooms are just made up of that materials.
Okay.
Yeah, Donald Trump cut off some. I should say this, like the percentage of the money coming from the U.S. I'm not so sure. So maybe in the next 5 years, um, the medications is not for free anymore. But
Are you
but
speaking, I mean, are you speaking Tagalog or Bisaya?
Tagalog. I speak Tagalog.
Okay.
You're Filipino
Okay.
as well.
No, no, no. I just
Ah,
want
okay.
to ask.
And Tagalog and Bisaya. But I am um most of the most of my instructors here at the university speaks Bisaya sa Tagalog.
Okay.
I don't know, they adjusted for us. I don't know how to speak Bisaya. So I
Okay.
understand some of the words. Hello Haru, welcome.